We really want to come together as a community, as a village, and really wrap around our kids so they feel more connected, less alone.
September is National Suicide Prevention Month, and suicide affects people of all ages, including our children and our teenagers.
That's why organizations like St. Luke's are making sure the community knows there is help out there. Brenda Rodriguez joins us now to tell us more. Brenda.
Well, providing a safe space was the main priority for St. Luke's at their mental health talk event that happened yesterday. The CDC reports over 48,000 deaths caused by suicide in 2021, and 15% of those are children and young adults around 10 to 24 years old. And that number continues to grow each year. St. Luke's child clinical psychologist Gretchen Gudmundson says that's also the case here in Idaho. She says that Idaho is currently the 5th highest in the nation when it comes to youth dying from suicide. Gudmundson says it's partly due to the lagged results of the pandemic and social media.
Idaho has some characteristics that likely increase that rate, including a lack of mental health resources. There are more firearms, which is the primary method that people who die by suicide, the method that people use. I think while there is reduced stigma about talking about mental health, there's sometimes a culture of wanting to do it by yourself or potentially keep things in the family. So we are up at the higher rates along with Wyoming, Montana, Utah. So there are some shared characteristics. And finally, that we're more rural.
Dozens of community members, including St. Luke's workers, parents, and teachers, attended this event to learn more about the resources Idaho has to offer. And at the event yesterday, Gudmundson spoke about how the stigma around suicide is getting better, but she says there is more work to be done. And a part of that work is providing a space to empower families and focus on children by being aware of potential signs. Another topic of discussion was a lack of mental health physicians. She says there is still not enough providers to be able to help people who really need it. And Maggie Justin, there is another opportunity to continue this conversation. That's today at 3:30 p.m. The Boise Youth Behavioral Health is hosting a meeting. You can find that location and further information a little later on our website, ktvb.com.
All right, Brenda, thank you for that.